halika hangin sa gabing maulan.
Oh, good morning everyone. This is Joshua Yamaro. And I'm here in Ocampo. And this is Mark Melvin Leon and this is Mark Ragos. So, nandito po pala kami dito sa may simbahan kasi magagawa kami ng vlog. And this is the vlog. Wait, bye! Hi everyone, this is Josh Yamaro at your service. We are here in Ocampo, Camarines Sur to vlog our full camp in Ocampo, St. Bernard Abbot.
Lalakaw ako duman sa sentro. Naisip kong magtambay muna sa patio. May nahiling akong daraga, mapulaw ng pisngi, magayunon ang mata.
Hi everyone, this is Josh Amaro at your service. Today we're exploring one of the most historical and beautiful church in Ocampo, the St. Bernard Abbot Parish, established way back in 1735 century. This parish is a living testament to faith and community. The St. Bernard Abbot Parish in Ocampo, Camarines Sur celebrate the 16th Himuluan Festival on August 18, in the line with the Parish Fiesta on August 20. Himuluan Festival was conceived when Father Jaime Donilo Viviola was parish priest.
Ikaman garay ang nasa isip, sako ka na lang, daita ka papabayaan, sako na lang ang puso mong perming nakukulgahan. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa imo na sako ka na lang.